In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Notion. Let's start with the quickest way to add a simple table right inside any page. Open the page where you want your table to live. On a blank line, type /table and press enter. Notion /command instantly turns that into a basic table block, so you can begin working right away without hunting through menus. Click into any cell to start entering your data. If you need more space, hover your mouse over the far right edge of the table to find the plus icon for adding a new column, or hover at the bottom edge to find the plus icon for adding a new row. Click the plus wherever you need it, and repeat as often as you like to expand your table. This inline table is perfect for quick lists, simple comparisons, or any lightweight structure you want to keep within the flow of your page. It's straightforward, fast, and ideal when you don't need advanced features. Now, Notion also offers a different kind of table called a database table. This one is more functional and complex, and it's designed for richer organization. Because it works differently from a regular page section, it needs to live on its own page. To create one, go to the left pane and click New to create a new page. When the page opens, select Database to create a new database table. At this point, you can start from an empty database if you prefer to build your structure from scratch, or you can choose from one of the templates to jump in with a ready-made setup. Templates are helpful if you want common layouts like tasks, projects, or content planning, while an empty database gives you total control from the start. Select the option that suits your needs, and your database page will be created. That's all you need to add tables in Notion. Use /table and press enter for a quick inline table you can keep inside any page. When you need something more robust that's designed to scale, click New in the left pane, choose Database, and start with an empty database or a template. That's all.